Hello and welcome to my perfume review. I am extremely tired but quite excited for this special perfume. Sorry for my weird nail polish. So this is a perfume I'm waiting for last 2.5 months. I ordered it 2.5 months back, and due to coronavirus issue, the shipments were quite slow. I wanted to do the unboxing video because this is a one of a kind perfume which should be opened really with all the pleasures. So this is Kajal Dahab. So this came up I think back in 2015 and created by Christian Carbonell and Rosendo Matthew, not Matthew. And this has been rated 4.22 out of 5 in Fragrantica. I'm not really dependent on Fragrantica, as I like my thing to, rate myself. So this is Kajal Perfume Paris, made in France, and it's the only space where it got torn. Let's open it from here. So let's start. My cat just woke up. It is a 100 ml bottle, 3.4 fl. This is the only size it's available. This is a beautiful Middle Eastern box, no doubt about it. So, wow, you should see the first look. That is how it looks. It looks like, to me, old ancient Egyptian seals look like that. Wow. This is the perfume. Let's embrace it a little bit. The box is very nice, but that's it. Oh, wow. I bought it straight from the store, so it cost me $225. I mean, you don't get this perfume anywhere else. So that's where, just the moment I opened it from the box, I can already smell the fruity fragrance. So this has been described as fruity, fresh, musky, tropical, sweet, amber, powdery, woody, green, and at the end there's a citrusy note. Let's talk about the top note. First, let's talk about the packaging a bit. I love the plating. Eau de Parfum, Dahab. In the camera, I saw, whatever the videos I saw till now, I saw the liquid is yellow, but this is not really yellow. This is a little bit orangish. This is not yellow. And look, I love the cap. This is one heck heavy. Beautiful. This is one of a kind. So let's talk about it a little bit, or first we spray. I think we should spray first. I have my blotters today. Very nice smooth spray. Okay, let's talk about the top notes. The top note is Granny Smith apple, bergamot, passion fruit, cedar. In the middle note, passion fruit, cedar, coriander. The base note, they have musk, amber, and patchouli. That's all they have, nothing much. This perfume is all about the Granny Smith apple is quite strong. Bergamot, very slight. very, very slight. And immediately it jumps into the passion fruit and cedar. Okay, let me tell you when you buy it. People compared it with Sospiro Erba Pura and Girjoff Erba Pura. Okay, so people compared with this two and Tiziana Terenzi's Kirke. I think it has a little bit of vibe of Erba Pura, Girjoff Erba Pura, because I have smelled that, and also I have myself Amber Oud Gold Edition of Al Haramain. It is a tone down of that perfume, and this is more wearable for women. By the way, this perfume is actually for women. This is not a unisex perfume. This is not a male perfume. But I think it is possible that male can wear it, but this is not as strong as Erba Pura. Erba Pura is something like you can actually smell from the next room. Now I will spray it on my wrist so that I can understand. Because when you spray on the blotter, the smell stays like that. Oh, it's changing. On the skin it's changed. Okay. It's changed from Erba Pura to something else. Yes, it's changed. I can smell total citrus. Absolutely strong citrus perfume. Yes, I mean the Granny Smith apple. The first vibe you get the Granny Smith apple, but later on, I think it went straight to citrus on my skin. I hope you all know that. Perfume smells very different from body to body, skin to skin, and it's because of the body chemicals work very differently. On my skin, I smell it beautifully. It's light. It's just slowly becoming the second skin. But this is not a perfume which you spray a lot. You don't spray this a lot, because if it has the amber at the end, at the base note, it has the amber, and in any perfume which has amber, if you spray it too much, you literally suffocate. It's a beautiful perfume, beautifully crafted. No wonder, now I understand why it's sold so much. It is very pretty perfume, I have to say. This is a festive perfume. This is not a everyday use. This is a festive perfume. This is like you're going to a wedding or going to, I don't know, maybe festive, any kind of festive like Eid or Christmas or Puja, anything. Those kind of, it brings the idea of purity, freshness, since it's very fresh. I don't feel much it's a gourmand perfume. It's more like fresh to me, because that end of the citrusy vibe, I was really surprised to see when the Fragrantica actually explained it has the citrus at the end, and when I was checking the notes, it doesn't really have that citrus. So I was actually looking for where is the citrus, because dry down, I find it a beautiful citrus. You don't spray it too much, because too much spray, it will change the vibe, and the amber will ignite, which you may smell it in a different way. The less the more. It is that kind of perfume. Less the more. So you don't spray it more than twice. Beautiful, beautiful perfume. But I have to say, since it is a perfume which is, I won't say it's generic, but this kind of perfume is already created. So Erba Pura, yes, it has when you first spray, it has that vibe of Herba Pura. Not the Kirke, not Tiziana Terenzi Kirke, but it does smell like a little bit Herba Pura when you first spray it. Dry down is different. Because of the amber work, it smells like Herba Pura, that's why. So, is it a must buy? If you have that kind of money, if you have the budget, yes, it is an item which can be kept in your collection. It's not just because of the smell, but also the bottle is actually a work of art. The packaging is beautiful. Packaging is really beautiful and very heavily made. I don't like perfumes which make glass bottle and later on they make a plastic cap, which is very cheap. This is not a cheap perfume at all. This is expensive perfume. It took me $225, and this is a perfume which I will be using for a very long time. This is a winter time perfume. Totally, this is a wintertime perfume. If you wear it in the summertime, you're gonna choke. This is a little bit in the heavier side. So yes, that's what I think. This is a beautiful perfume. I do recommend people, and of course, as I understood, this is a beautiful perfume, and the amount of amber it has been used, and also the other stuff, it's crafted very nicely. I can understand it's a quite long-lasting perfume. Since I just opened it in front of you, I couldn't check the longevity for, practically I couldn't check the longevity. Usually I test the perfume for 2-3 days, then I come in front of the camera. But the thing is, this one I couldn't, but I can understand from my skin what I'm smelling. This is going to be very long lasting. So yes, that's it from my side. This is Kajal Dahab. Beautiful perfume. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. And if you're new, please subscribe. Thank you so much.